Okay, so today we're going to be doing a cold start and a vacuum test. Okay, start it up. We're 7,000 feet above sea level, and as you can see, the vacuum is pretty much on 15, and the needle's not moving. A lot of times on BAT, I notice that some of these motors coming out of Colombia and some of these builds show like a brand new shiny motor, but they don't show you the parts and they don't show you the vacuum. And this motor is brand new. I have photographs from the gallery of the pistons and all the internal parts, and as you can see, we're getting basically a perfect vacuum reading. This would be a little bit higher at sea level, and we could tune it, the carburetor, and get it up to about 17, which is perfect. Indicative of an absolutely brand new engine.